Excel and ChatGPT are the best combo. I'll show you how to automate AI with Excel without typing formulas in minutes. We need to start by setting up ChatGPT. The goal is to get ChatGPT to write Excel macros automatically. To do this, we need to use this prompt. In this case, we're sorting athletes by increasing age in a bar graph format. Now let's copy this code and head over to Excel. To run this macro, we need the Developers tab. If you don't have it, right-click on the ribbon, click Customize the ribbon, and then check Developer. Now just click on Macros, enter a name, and click Create. In the window, copy and paste the VBA code given by ChatGPT and run it using the play button at the top. Boom! Just like that, you're done. The prompt which we described to ChatGPT is completed in less than a second. If you want to save even more time, you can do the exact same thing without leaving Excel with Windows Copilot. While it might seem a little challenging, it only takes a few seconds once you understand how it works, and it's going to make you an expert at work.